Alan05. Alan05. I know you. I know you. I know you. I know you. Big fan of yours. Big fan.
Argentina! Fucking Argentina! Only 15 minutes, baby!
Oh yeah! Only that people are going crazy!
So hello people, it's me Ramil05 from Shillong, and right now the timing is around 11:36 or 11:37, something like that. And today it is the final, which is going to happen Spain versus Argentina. And somehow people are going to support Argentina fan, and somehow they are going to support Spain fan, and this is how it looks from top. I think the match has started. I'll have to be a little bit fast.
Spain supporter.
Yamal. And I have met some Spain supporters out here.
स्टॉल में अर्जेंटीना वाले लोग आ नहीं रहा। ओपोनेंट हो गया भाई, ओपोनेंट हो गया। गाली देके जा रहे हैं।
पूरा चलपल हो रहा है क्या तेरा? चलपल हो रहा है ना, बोलना यार। अर्जेंटीना, अर्जेंटीना। Only 15 minutes, baby.
Oh yeah.
Chief Minister World Cup Fan Park 2026. Before the entrance was from this side last time when I came, and now the entrance is from this side. But unfortunately I couldn't get to park here, otherwise it would be so good. Bhai sahab, just see the crowd out here, bhai. Abey, the show is going out here or here? There are two now. Now where I'll have to enter? Now where I'll have to enter, right or left?
मेरा भाई को भी लेके आए व्लॉग में।
आप किसको सपोर्ट करें? मेसी।
भाई एवरीवन मेसी, भाई सबका सब मेसी।
चलो टेक केयर भाई। हम ठीक है। चलो भाई टेक केयर। ठीक है, हाँ टेक केयर भाई। Before it was in the left side, they were this side, but now it is happening in the right side because the crowd is going to be too much, that is why. कैसे हो? बढ़िया। हेलो बड़ी। हेलो सर। How are you?
Fine.
Fine. Hello.
Your subscriber.
Oh, really appreciate. Chalo, hello. So, you guys are going or?
No, we'll come back.
Oh, chalo. Have a great night with your family.
Alan05. Alan05. I know you. I know you. I know you. I know
Really
you.
appreciate.
Big fan of yours. Big fan.
Hello, sir.
Big fan.
Hello, buddy. Yeah.
Alan05. I know you. I know you.
Really appreciate. Really appreciate.
Of course. What do you support? I support Argentina. What do
I
you
support Shillong people.
Oh, of course. But I do support you know what? I support Indian. You know what? Minerva.
Because the way these people are giving their beautiful time out here, it's like hats off. That is why I support Shillong people more. Instead of so many football teams, I support Shillong people. Here you can be careful with your food and with your stuff, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Because you know how the situation is like.
YouTuber, big fan. Of course.
Careful.
Of course.
Careful.
I see. Oh, I have to say that only, huh?
Careful with your foot and stuff, okay?
I saw you a lot of your. You do riding, right?
Now you'll see yourself here.
Of course. Hi guys. Hello guys. Please subscribe. I'm from Jaintia. Wait. I'm from wait, bro. Wait. I'm from Jaintia. Hello guys. I'm from Jaintia, Juwai. I'm from Changpong. Changpong only.
Changpong.
You have to visit. You have to visit Jaintia.
Oh yeah, definitely.
All waterfall.
Definitely, I'll
We
visit.
have a lot of waterfall in that side. Okay.
Definitely, I'm going to visit.
I do right.
You come to Shillong, you will go to Charapanji and all everything. You see everything now. Which fall you want? Which fall? Everything you will get everything.
Empty.
Yeah, I read empty. Yeah.
But I read Trinity. I'm really sorry.
You're more powerful.
That's really more powerful.
Just sit from here.
Oh, long sir.
I'll go and record.
Okay.
Okay.
You
I'll
just
go and
start.
record. You guys have fun.
course.
Okay, have fun.
Thank you,
Chalo,
thank
have
you,
fun.
thank you,
Chalo.
thank you.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
I wish I could be there
Oh, man.
on your YouTube.
Yeah, man. I'll put you. I'll put you.
On YouTube. huh?
Yeah, man. I'll put you all up. Okay. Take care. I don't know what I'll be able to record from here. By the match has already started. I have tried my best to go on that side because that side, standing and sitting there, there's the very best one by. But unfortunately, I couldn't get a chance. And people here are standing just to see the match. Just see.
ये पाँचने बहुते मियो थे गोल में ले आता है रिभी ला वो खटरी सकटम नहीं ले वो बटम नहीं रिभी में
And this is how I used to meet my subscribers out here, bhai. Argentina flag out here. No. Young, Ki? Chalo, take care, have fun. Bhai, this side it is full, bhai, but I'll try my best. Sergi, खाली एक. मैं last time इधर ही आया था. Please, only one. मैं इधर गया लेकिन मेरे को रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा है उस तरफ. Please. Only one. Okay, thanks. Yeah. Now I have convinced them to enter this one. Just see the audience out here, bhai.
Hello, welcome to the final World Cup.
Hey! The show is going to be crazy out here, bhai. Only one.
We are four. here, waiting in line.
Arey.
Sir, this place is.
I have been there. I came back from there.
Chalo, we'll pay them. Chalo.
Arey yaar. So I thought like in final.
You can record from the
No, that side is like too much muddy. I'll not be able to stand also. That is why I came from here till here.
The officer is there. The officer is there. You better speak to him.
Where the officer? Chalo.
I don't know why because they are doing their duty, man. They are doing their best.
For what?
No,
For
because
what?
there are too many audience, man. This side there are bunch of audience.
I
That is
know,
why.
but then I've been waiting here from 11, bro. I've been waiting here from 11. Shit, man. This. At least I can pay, man. I can pay.
It's not about paying, it's about safety of me and you. That is why, man. I don't know why I'll not be able to enter here. I think.
ब्लॉग सब हम लोग भाई लोग को नहीं लेगा ब्लॉग में
सपोर्ट कर रहे भाई.
अर्जेंटीना ऑफ कोर्स
Oh भाई full of Argentina out here भाई. चलो take care. Hello buddy. Kumno. Hello. Hello Kong. Hello Kong. Hello. Mbappe. At last. What kind of blessing has worked that I have met this guy and I have got to enter this. Bhai saab. I have tried my best to enter this, bhai. At last I have got this. Thanks for this, Krishna bhai. Thanks for this. At last I have entered this beautiful place, bhai. Now the relief which I am going to have from here, it will be like wow. Just see this. Last time the audience was too much. I hope this time also I'll be very hard to enter here, man. I was not getting a chance only. I came from here. And after a very long time I have got a beautiful chance to enter this stadium, bhai. Just see the audience. The audience is going crazy out here, bhai. Now I'll be able to record every single moment out from here. And halftime is already done. And after halftime I have got a chance to enter here. Just see the audience. It feels so good. Why now? Seeing from the front row, where there was I was in the last row, and here it is just because of that guy Krishna. I have got a chance to sit here. Why? It is all because of him. Now I can record the crazy crowd out here. Mama, please support a U team. Argentina. Here you support Argentina. I told you right, Argentina fan is like very much out here. That side also stadium, there are so many Argentina fans, and this stadium also there are so many.
Bro, you are a certified guy, nah? Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine, bro. How about you?
Which team you are supporting? Which team you are supporting?
Spain. Spain. How are you, bro?
I support Shillong people.
Get off.
Okay man, have fun.
Bro, nah.
See?
Yo.
Take care.
Hey. This is Rosary.
Which team you support?
Argentina.
Ah man, nice.
Hey, Rosary with me.
Muriel playing to Paul's position, bit more energy, younger lad. Romero though, that's
70 minutes and there it's like still 0. Argentina 0 and Spain is 0. 70 minutes it has crossed. And before halftime I was in that stadium, and after halftime I'm in this stadium. And I'm going to show you the time. What is the time now? 2:34 a.m. in Polo ground. Especially only for this match, bhai. See, I have met this person again. And this time he is having something different on his cheeks. He is supporting Argentina as usual, like before. Chalo, take care. Yeah. Okay. Have fun, man. Chalo, take care. How are you? How are you?
I'm good.
You are supporting which team?
Yeah, Argentina, man.
Nice. I support Shillong people because they are more crazy.
Sir, Conrad Sangma is not there. That's just school and college, please.
Sir Conrad Sangma has given only holiday for the students, college and school. But we both will have to go to work.
Not fair.
Are they? In FIFA final, it is done by Spain. And now it is 1 Spain and Argentina 0.
Distinction? No, it's not
You guys will never be able to predict how Shillong people had that craziness inside them for this FIFA World Cup 2026.
Here's Messi. He caught it so hard that Marino's gone down in a pile.
Argentina players are getting really very angry.
And now Messi wriggles.
It was very close. I told you right, people are getting really very angry.
Spain made first contact.
And Spain has won the match by FIFA World Cup.
The kings of Europe have conquered the world. And who would dispute?
How are you?
This time, Messi is beaten.
Hello, buddy. How are you? Fine. Which team we are supporting? Spain, sir. Oh, Spain, nice. Chalo, take it. I support Shillong people. I told you that people are going crazy. I told you that people are going crazy out here. And the World Cup has over with all these beautiful people. Especially I have met so many beautiful people inside the stadium, and it was like a pleasure meeting me each and everyone. And this is my second time I have came here, and first time I have met so many people, and this is the second time I have met so many people. And I'm going to end the video here only. And 2026 FIFA World Cup trophy goes to Spain. So hope so you people like this video. So like, comment and subscribe and बिल्कुल मत भूलना.